Hi there! On this video, I will show you how to create a greeting card using Microsoft Word 2016, and here is a sample output. So let's get started. Okay, first, let's open the Word app and choose the blank document option. We will be creating a document with a 16:9 screen ratio. Let's change the document size by going into the Layout tab. Then click the dialog box launcher of the Page Setup group. On the Paper tab, change the width to 16 and height to 9. Please note that the symbol for inches is a double prime as indicated next to the width and height number. We can disregard the margin for this time and choose the landscape as orientation and click OK. Click Ignore when the warning message appeared. Our output for this video tutorial will be like this: a birthday greeting card. To download images for free like a PNG file with a transparent background, you can go to cleanpng.com website and unsplash.com for high-resolution background images. I will place their website links on the description. We will be using a background image from unsplash.com. There are a couple of ways to copy an image file from the source folder to your working document. And one way is this. First, you have to click the image from the source folder. Then on your keyboard, press Ctrl+C keys simultaneously to copy. And go to your project document and click on the outside part of your working area, then press Ctrl+V keys to paste the image. Or you can do it also by clicking your image from the source folder, and while clicking the image, you need to hold it and drag to your project. Now we can resize the image, but we will not be able to move it. In order to move the image, first you have to double-click it to activate the Format tab. And click the Wrap Text under the Arrange Group option and click Behind Text, because in this case, we will be using the image as a background. And now, click and hold the image, and you can notice that we can now freely move it on your working area. And let's copy the rest of the images. Again, on your source folder, click the image and press Ctrl+C on your keyboard to copy. While on your working area, press Ctrl+V to paste. Double-click the image to activate the Format tab. Click on the Wrap Text option and now choose In Front of Text. Click and hold the image on its lower right corner and drag it to resize. We can also adjust the brightness or contrast of the image. We can do it by double-clicking the image, then under the Adjust group, click Corrections and choose from any of the preset options. Adding a border will emphasize your main subject. We can add a border by double-clicking on the image, and on the Picture Styles group under the Format tab, you can choose any of the preset styles. To make the happy birthday image in front of the baby photo, double-click the happy birthday image and click Bring Forward option. Please note that sometimes you have to click few times to achieve our desired output. To manually rotate an image, click and hold on the picture rotation handle and dragging in the direction you want. Now let's add the text using a word art. On the Insert tab menu, click Word Art option on the text group and choose from any of the preset designs. You can now follow the steps which you have learned previously to resize, rotate, and or changing the position of the word art. To change the text in your word art, click on the box and press Ctrl+A from your keyboard to highlight all the text inside the box and start typing the name. On this project, we will be using Aria. To change the font style, double-click the name Aria to highlight it. Then on the font group, under the Home tab option, choose Alex Brush. Or you can choose also the font style that you love to use. To increase the font size, you can click on the Increase Font Size button on the front group. For you to use the Alex Brush font style, you will need to download it from a website. In this case, I downloaded it from 1001freefonts.com. You can also change the font color from the font group of the Home tab and choose whatever color you prefer. You can always play with it. And that's it. We just need to save our project and we are done with our greeting card design. On my next video tutorial, I will show you how to save or convert your MS Word document into JPEG. I hope you have learned some new ideas from this video, and please like and subscribe my channel. See you next time and mabuhay!